Going to be learning about diffusion. In this topic, we're going to be learning about everything about diffusion and how does it work and what does it mean. By the Curious Cosmos. Diffusion refers to the overall movement of particles from areas of high concentration to areas of low concentration. In living things, diffusion allows substances to move in and out of cells. This is how red blood cells distribute oxygen throughout the body. When empty blood cells enter the lungs, which have an extremely high concentration of oxygen, the molecules pass into the blood cells, filling them up. Now, with the high concentration of oxygen, the blood cells flow through the parts of the body with a low concentration of oxygen and it diffuses them out from the blood cells into those parts. Cells in those parts of the body constantly uses oxygen, so it never builds up and always flows in the same direction. The blood cells always continue on and empty their oxygen before returning to their lungs and another top up. Diffusion is the overall movement of any substance from an area of higher concentration to an area of lower concentration. This can be within a cell or between them. Diffusion happens in liquids, gases, because the particles move randomly from place to place. This is an important process for living things, and this is how substances move in and out of cells. It happens naturally, and so it does not require energy. The particles collide with each other or with the container. This makes them change the direction. Eventually, the particles are spread out through the whole container. Diffusion happens on its own, without stirring, shaking, or wafting, because diffusion is the movement of particles from a higher or to lower concentration. We call this down the concentration gradient. Thank you for listening. Also, please do not hesitate. If you have any questions, please write it down in the comments below. Bye.